Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Taskade. Taskade is a powerful productivity tool that helps you manage your tasks, projects, and notes in one place. Taskade is designed to keep you organized and focused, whether you're working on personal projects or collaborating with a team. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of Taskade, including how to create projects and tasks. So please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Taskade tutorial. First, if you are new to the platform, you will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct sign up page. First, click on the Sign Up for Free button. Taskade allows you to sign up using your Google account or email. Choose your desired option and follow the on-screen prompts to personalize your account. As part of the account setup process, you will be prompted to create a new workspace. A workspace is a collaborative environment where you can organize and manage your tasks, projects, and notes. Once you have created your workspace, you will be taken to your account dashboard. When you log into Taskade, the first thing you see is your dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all your tasks, projects, and notes. It is designed to help you stay organized and productive. The dashboard features a left navigation bar that contains important tabs. These tabs allow you to navigate through the different areas of your Taskade account. These tabs include Recent, My Tasks, Calendar, Starred, Shared with Me, Your Workspace, New Workspace, Search Bar, Setting, and Help. The tabs are organized in a logical and intuitive way to make it easy for you to find what you need. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in Taskade, and then I will show you how we can use Taskade. The Recent tab is one of the main tabs on the Taskade dashboard, located on the left navigation bar. This tab displays a list of your most recently accessed products, including the ones you've been invited to. The Recent tab helps you keep track of the projects you've been working on and makes it easy to jump back into them quickly. You can also use this tab to filter the recent activities by different options such as Owned by Anyone, Owned by Me, Not Owned by Me, Member of Spaces, and Not a Member of Spaces. For example, if you select Owned by Me, you'll see a list of all the projects that you own and have recently accessed. If you select Member of Spaces, you'll see a list of all the projects you're a member of and have recently accessed. This filtering feature helps you quickly find the projects you need and stay on top of your work. The My Tasks tab helps you manage your tasks efficiently. It is an account-wide dashboard that compiles all your tasks across all projects and workspaces in a single screen. My Task offers several features that make task management a breeze. One of the most useful features of My Task is the ability to track tasks with and without due dates. You can easily keep track of upcoming tasks and prioritize them according to their deadlines. Additionally, you can mark completed tasks as done, which helps you keep track of what you've accomplished. My Tasks also allows you to filter your tasks by owner, workspace, and folder. This feature is particularly helpful if you're working on multiple projects simultaneously. You can quickly find the tasks you need to work on at any given moment, without having to search through all your projects and workspaces. You can also filter your tasks across different spaces and by different options, such as For Me, For Others, For Everyone. This allows you to view tasks that are relevant to you or your team, making task management even more streamlined. Another great feature of My Tasks is the ability to quickly jump to projects, folders, and workspaces. This feature makes it easy to navigate between different projects and workspaces so you can access the information you need quickly and efficiently. Finally, My Tasks can be used to assign tasks to contractors and external team members without having to invite them into a workspace. This feature is especially helpful if you're working with freelancers or external collaborators who don't need access to the entire workspace. By sharing the project, they can manage their tasks in one place, keeping everyone on the same page. The Taskade calendar is an important tool for keeping track of all your tasks and projects with due dates or due ranges. This built-in feature can be accessed by clicking the Calendar button on the left navigation bar of your Taskade dashboard. Once you are on the calendar page, you will see all your tasks and projects displayed in a calendar format, making it easy to visualize your upcoming deadlines. You can also sync your Taskade calendar with popular calendar applications such as Apple, Google, and Outlook. This integration allows you to view your Taskade tasks and events alongside your other scheduled activities. Managing multiple projects can be overwhelming, but the Taskade calendar provides an easy solution. You can filter calendar events by workspace or folder by clicking the drop-down menu at the top left side of the calendar. You can also use the button on the right to filter events by month, week, or day, making it easy to view your own tasks for a specific time period. With these features, you can stay on top of your tasks and projects and ensure that everything is completed on time. The Starred tab allows you to quickly access projects that are important or frequently used. When you star a project, it will appear in this tab for easy access. This can be especially helpful if you are working on multiple projects and need to quickly switch between them without having to navigate through different workspaces or folders. To star a project, simply focus on the star icon and click on it. Once you have starred a project, it will appear in the Starred tab along with any other projects you have starred. You can also unstar a project by clicking on the same star icon. The Shared With Me tab is an important part of Taskade's left navigation bar. It shows all the projects that have been shared with you, indicating that you only have access to view or edit them. This feature is useful for collaborating with colleagues or working on group projects. Under the Shared With Me tab, you will see the workspace that you created while making your account. By default, this workspace is set as your primary workspace, and when you log into your account, you will be taken to this workspace. The New Workspace button allows you to create a new workspace. However, if you're using the free plan, you will be restricted to creating only one workspace. If you want to create more than one workspace, you will need to upgrade your account to either the Pro, Business, or Ultimate plan, which offers more features and allows you to create multiple workspaces. The option to create multiple workspaces can be useful if you want to manage different projects separately or if you have multiple teams working on different projects. Upgrading your account not only allows you to create more workspaces, but also provides additional benefits such as more storage, advanced collaboration tools, and more customization options. The search bar enables you to search across all your projects, comments, and workspaces. Simply type in your search query in the search bar and Taskade will provide you with a list of results that match your search criteria. You can use the search bar to quickly find specific tasks, notes, or projects. The Settings option allows you to manage your account preferences and settings. In the Settings section, you can manage your profile account, change your password, and view your connected accounts. You can also manage your session and revoke access to log out of specific devices. Under the Help option, you can access the Taskade Help Center, FAQs, video guidelines, and community and contact the Taskade support team. The Help option provides a comprehensive guide to using Taskade and offers solutions to common issues and questions. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, you can contact the Taskade support team for assistance. Now, to create a new project, navigate to your workspace or folder and click the Plus New Project button at the top right corner. Select one of the available templates, or add your first task to start with a blank project. If you can't find the right template for your project, you can create your own. The new template will be automatically shared with other workspace and folder members. Click anywhere in the project and start typing. Each line in a project is recognized as a task. Each task can have multiple add-ons attached. This can range from due dates to file uploads or reactions. Click the plus icon to the right to access the list of add-ons. You can use the @mention and hashtag feature to link users, other tasks, and other projects together. This can help you build a second brain. Taskade lets you visualize the same project in multiple ways. Toggle project views by clicking on the icons at the top of the project. Taskade offers 6 views to choose from: List, Board, Calendar, Action, Mind Map, and Ogre Chart. And to assign a project, click the Assign button located underneath the title of your project and select the person you'd like to assign. And to add a task, click on the plus icon to the right of your task and select Assign. You can also click the small plus icon next to an existing due date. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Taskade. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.